everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is a wireless keypad for my garage door opener. And I'll show you it here in a second. Let me open it up, if I can. And this is it here. And you can see it opens up. Let's see, can I open it? Boy, this is hard to do with one hand. Okay, so this is how it'll be. So it'll mount over here, and you push in your numbers and stuff, and then you program it, and then you hit the sync with the garage, and then when you do, it'll open and close the garage. So how cool is that? So I can have a little keypad outside my garage that controls my garage door opener. So it's a great little device, and you have your little code, and you just hit up and down, and it should go. So it's great. This one, it looks like works with Genies and some others. So it's totally cool. Thumbs up for me.